Hello guys, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel. Due to this pandemic situation, mostly all of the works and studies are held in online. So mostly the people who are plan to buy a laptop below 30k, this video is for you all. So if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do it with the subscribe button. So I have chosen a total of 5 laptops for you. Let's start with the top 5th laptop. HP 15DB 1069AU, priced at 29,998. If you look at the specs, it comes with AMD Ryzen 3rd Gen 3200U dual core 4-thread processor of 2.6 base GHz frequency and 3.5 max boost frequency. The RAM is LPDDR4 4GB RAM and a massive 1TB HDD of 5400 RPM. Screen size is decent enough of 15.6 inches LED display with HD resolution. The battery performance is decent. The company claims about 13 hours, but we can easily get up to 6 or 4 hours. It runs on Microsoft Office Home and with 1 year domestic warranty. It's a good configuration, but still we have 4 laptops, so don't skip the video. Coming to the next laptop, it is from Acer. Acer Aspire 3 A315, priced at 25,990 rupees. It comes with AMD Ethanol Silver 3050U dual core 4-thread processor of 2.3 base GHz frequency and 3.2 max boost frequency, and 4GB DDR4 RAM and 1TB HDD of 5400 RPM. The screen size is 15.6 inches LED screen. It runs on Windows 10 64-bit operating system. The specs and price is well balanced. Anyone interested can buy. I will provide all the links in the description. Moving to the third laptop, HP 245G7, priced at 28,600 rupees. Comes with AMD Ryzen 3rd Gen 3300U 4-core 4-thread processors of 2.1 base frequency and 3.5 max boost frequency, and all other features are equal to HP 15T laptop. Moving to the top second laptop, it is from Avita Pura, a Hong Kong company. Avita Pura NS14A6 IND 541, model number is crazy. Among all other laptops, this has the best specs on the paper, but the build quality is just below average, or you can say it average. It brings AMD A9 9420E dual core 4-thread processor of 3 GHz base frequency and 3.6 GHz of max boost. It comes with 8GB RAM, LPDDR4 RAM and 256GB SSD. Providing SSD at this price is a good move. Coming to the battery performance, it is good. Company claims about 8 hours, but in real time you can get up to 4 to 5 hours depending on your use. If you guys are liking this video, please hit that like button. Moving to the table topper, Lenovo IdeaPad S145, priced at rupees 25,990. So if anyone is looking for the best laptop below 26k, it is the best choice for you. Moving to the specs, it brings AMD A6 9225 dual core 4-thread processor with base frequency of 2.6 GHz and the max boost of 3.1 GHz. The RAM is 4GB RAM LPDDR RAM, which is upgradable up to 8GB, 1TB HDD of 5400 RPM. The display is an anti-glare display of 15.6 inches HD display. Company claims 6 hours battery backup, so you can expect up to 4 hours depending upon your usage. All the laptops I chose are AMD processor based because these AMD processors are APU processors and are better than Intel processors. So I will leave all the buying links in the description box, so if anyone interested, so please you can check from there. Thanks for watching my video guys. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Before leaving, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.